Okay, 2, 4, 6. Okay, guys? The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 2, 2, into 1, into 2, into 1, a 2, a 1, a 2. Okay, the boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 4. Ayan. Okay, so you're out and you're out also. So I will give you a prize. Okay, this one. So, okay. For you. And for you also. Okay, so for left. Hindi, nagbago isip ko. Oh. Okay, so dalawa lang yung magiging winners natin. Okay, the vote is written. Group yourselves. Okay, talikod muna tayo. Walang tinginan. Turn around, like that. Okay, so come here. Just like that. Then, the three of boys. Okay, talikod. Okay, kung sino yung maligyan ako sa inyong apat, out na. Okay, the vote is written. Group yourselves into 3. Ayan. Ayan, ay gentleman to. Okay, good boy siya. Okay, mabait si Kuya. Anong gusto mo? Ngayon, pipili ka ngayon ang gusto mo. So, kasi good boy. Mabait ni Kuya. Okay, so choose your prize. Okay? Yan. Okay, so 4 na lang ang natitira. Okay, good luck. Ay, 3 na lang pala. So, at least, kay itong si Aling Maliit, bibigyan ko ng special prize. Alam ko kayo yung mananalong dalawa. Okay, so final round. The round is second. Group yourselves into 2. Sabi ko nga, kayo yung mananalo. Kaya ito yung, bibigyan ko siya ng magandang prize. Okay. Ito, for you. Tapos itong dalawang boy. Okay, pili na lang kayo dalawa.